Welcome to this lesson on the effects of maintenance on production. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the effects on production due to maintenance. So think about, first of all, if you take machinery out of the production chain, this is called downtime. If it is a forklift needed to move pallets or chains or a conveyor, they will all affect downtime. And if your production line is not working, it's not earning money. You also need to think about operating performance. What if a lathe can only be operated at half speed because it is past its service date? This can slow down production, which then in turn affects customers. What about tools? Do they need maintenance? What if the drill bit isn't sharp enough? What if the polisher has grit in it? During quality control, an item can be rejected, which may mean it's scrapped or has to be reworked, all costing time and money. If something is broken, say a generator, this can lead to power cuts. Think of power stations or the water network, for instance. If something breaks, customers lose service and calls customer services. If your customer services becomes overwhelmed, what happens then? People then tend to let out their frustration on social media, which in turn can lead to a loss of customers. Brand reputation is key. Other penalties could be actual fines rather than just an increased cost. What if the failure is tied into danger to human life? The Health and Safety Executive inspects and audits workplaces and can impose fines. The cost of a breakage or failure can have an ongoing effect on other plant and equipment. If a machine was found to be out of calibration, this could affect all the parts produced since the last time it was checked. This could affect any item that part now works in, such as an engine or a generator. That engine may be used to drive machinery, which then may fail prematurely, which causes costs down the line. Also, if you have to remake a part due to poor maintenance or failure, only the cost of the new material, labour and machine time, you will also be using more energy. Depending on where it comes from, carbon footprint will also be affected. Damage in one area or premature wear of out of calibration equipment can go on to cause failures in other systems, as we've seen. Take a drill bit past its usefulness, it breaks, it scores an expensive piece of marble. The marble may have to be scrapped, maybe £1,000, for the sake of a £5 drill bit. The light bulb failure can cause an accident due to darkness or stop production altogether. So in summary then, maintenance can affect a lot of different things in production. It affects the downtime, reduced performance of machinery, increased call to customer services, fines or other financial penalties, increased energy costs, and possible damage to other plant and machinery. Thank you for watching. See you next time.